What is double boiled rice? Very interesting question. So in the parboiled segment of the rice industry, it so happens that a paddy is pre-boiled before it goes to milling, right? So that is called parboiled rice. Now in this parboiled also, there is some things that you can really control in order to achieve cooking results of rice. Like for example, the parboiling can be half, which is called half boiled rice. The parboiling can be normal, which is normally called parboiled rice, and it could be more than required, double boiled, to get a better result. In basmati, for example, you have something called as white sella, creamy sella, golden sella, right? So this is how it is. The golden sella will be boiled to an extent where the grain attracts and absorbs all the paddy color, becomes more golden, and versus creamy, which is a little bit less, which is white, which is might be like half boiled rice, parboiled and then gone for cooling and then gone for milling. So double boiled rice is a rice which is actually boiled one stage higher in order to manage the cooking results and the eating profile of different markets. So different markets actually prefer different ways of cooking style, cooking results. For example, Singapore is one such country which is very, very particular about rice cooking quality. If you are targeting Singapore market, I mean, we can make a whole video on Singapore market and it could be fun, which is the most difficult market to crack, I would say, but a very big market as well.